Elle versus Cake. Take one. Watch the Elle in his natural habitat take his plan of action. Dun 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 dun
There's a cat under the table.
What?
There's a cat under the table.
There is a cat under the table? Are you sure, Yuzaki-sama? So there is. I don't know if this camera can see it, but it's there. See if we can get it to move. I wanna touch it. Isn't it beautiful? It's mine. Take the camera. No! Take the camera, Ryuzaki.
Mirage.
I should totally send this into animal protection.
This cat is loved. Leave me alone.
You're getting followed by an owl. Happy birthday.
Will you still be here later tonight?
No.
Oh.
I will, however, steal your phone number.
Yay! I can do this. I'm tired. Let's go follow the others.
How do I make it stop recording?
Oh, man. Stop joking with me, Elle.